So number 5 and 9, and then number 12. Or are these your people, Arnold?
Those are my people.
Okay.
It's number 6.
She can cut off her camera. All right, I think she cut it off. Just mute yourself, ma'am.
Mr. Castillo, if you could mute yourself by pressing *6. There's 3 other hearings that are happening at this time, and we're going to call you when we're ready.
Mr. DeLeo, go ahead and turn on your camera and unmute yourself. You're going to be first.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good morning. This is call number 2005-44738 in the interest of Juana Castillo. All parties, please raise your right hands and be sworn. And unmute yourself, please, Miss. What do we have? George Castillo and Miss Villegas.
Yes.
Okay. Do you solemnly raise your right hand to be sworn, please? Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Pasita Villegas, and I'm the mother of Joanna Villegas.
And
Your Honor,
for the state.
Marcella Turner. Your Honor, Mr. Castillo is present as well by phone. Mr. DeLeo, you can cut off your camera.
Mr. Castillo, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
All right. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right. Ms. Turner, we've got a suit for modification of support and a motion to confirm support of rearage. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, this is a first setting in this matter. Mr. Castillo, who was not previously served, has been provided a copy of the petition, and we're asking the court to make a docket entry stating the same and reset this matter for May 6th of 2021.
Mr. Castillo, did you receive or have you received the copy of the suit that's been filed?
No. The one I signed, the form that I signed, yes, I received that one.
No, the suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support of rearage. The reason we're here, did you receive that petition?
No, I sure haven't, Your Honor.
Ms. Turner?
Your Honor, the child support officer who worked with Mr. Castillo and Ms. Villegas is present in this hearing and has stated that he emailed a copy of the petition to Mr. Castillo. I'm unsure as to why that statement has changed.
Have you checked your email, Mr. Castillo?
I was about to right now, Your Honor.
All right, that's how you're gonna have received it, would be through email.
Yes. Okay, you're gonna take cash or card?
Do you see it, sir?
Yeah, you got it then.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. The case is gonna be reset to what date, Ms. Turner?
May 6th of 2021.
All right, then, this matter is being reset to May 6, 2021. Anything further, Ms. Turner?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. May the parties be excused, those two parties only.
Yes, yes. All right, now this is cause number 2009-16537 in the interest of Jorge and Victor Rodriguez. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Ms. Burgos, please unmute yourself.
Your Honor, CSO, Arnold Barrera will need to translate for Mr. Burgos.
All right, Mr. Barrera, will you have Ms. Burgos unmute herself?
Señor Burgos, por favor, prenda su micrófono oprimiendo estrella 6. Señor Tomás, por favor, prenda su micrófono oprimiendo estrella 6. Señor Tomás Burgos, por favor, prenda su micrófono oprimiendo estrella 6 en su teléfono. Hello, señor Señor
Sí,
Tomás.
hello.
Okay.
Ajá.
All
Aquí
right,
estamos.
please. This is call number 2009-16537 in the interest of Jorge and Victor Rodriguez.
Este es el caso 2009-16537 en el interés de Jorge Luis y Víctor Rodríguez.
And please
Por
raise
favor,
your right
levante la
hand
mano.
to be sworn. You solemnly swear
Por
to
favor,
tell
levante la
the
mano derecha.
truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Jura
Okay.
decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, please state your name and your relationship to these children.
Por favor, diga su nombre y la relación de usted a los niños.
Tomás Burgos, mis hijos,
Tomás Burgos, my kids.
All right, Mr. Burgos, have you received a copy of the petition filed by the Attorney General's office?
Señor Burgos, ¿usted recibió la petición que la oficina del Attorney General sometió a la corte?
solamente la que me dieron para firmar ahorita.
One I received for signature.
Have you looked at your email?
¿Usted vio su correo electrónico?
A ver, let me see. Sí,
Yes.
All right, so is it there? Is the copy of the petition there?
Ahí está la copia de la petición de las razones que estamos aquí en corte.
okay.
Okay.
¿Necesita un número de identificación?
Do I need a number of identification?
Case number is 2009-16537.
El número de caso es 2009-16537.
637, okay.
Did you
Okay.
receive a copy?
¿Usted recibió la copia de la petición?
Pues nomás recibí el de que dices María Laureano invited to you Zoom para el meeting.
I just received one that says Maria Laureano inviting you to Zoom meeting.
No, there should be a copy of the petition on your email.
Debe que haber una copia de la petición en su correo electrónico cuando usted firmó.
Okay. Okay, sí tengo esa copia.
Okay.
Yes, I do have that copy.
All right, and for the state, who represents the state in this matter?
Marcella Turner.
And we are passing this case for service on the custodial parent?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so ordered.
Thank you, Your Honor. May he be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Estamos pasando el caso. Ya puede salirse, señor.
Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Disculpe, ¿eso es todo?
Is that everything?
Yes.
Yes, they will notify you when the next hearing is.
Nosotros lo vamos a notificar a usted cuando es la próxima audiencia en corte.
Oh, entonces ya puedo colgar.
Ya puede
Sí.
colgar, sí, muchas gracias.
Okay.
All right, this is call number 2016-53874 in the interest of Kayla, Elijah, and Rosalind DeLeo. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Okay. My name is Mikaeus DeLeo, and I am the father of Kayla, Elijah, and Rosalind.
All right, and for the state.
Marcella Turner.
All right, and are we certifying that Mr. DeLeo received the copy of the petition? Is that what we're doing?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. DeLeo, have you received a copy of the suit for modification of child support order?
Yes.
All right, and we need to serve the custodial parent. Is that correct, Ms. Turner?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So the case will be passed.
That's correct.
All right. Case is passed for service on the custodial parent.
Thank you, Your Honor. May Mr. DeLeo be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
The default's down there.
Hmm?
The default.
Oh, a default. Oh, we got a default.
Just gonna prove it up with.
All right, this is call number 2020-52779 in the interest of Ms. Johnson. All parties in this case, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Jasmine Thomas, and I am the mother.
Are you on video, ma'am?
I am, but my webcam doesn't work, and my other one died.
I'm sorry. Okay, and for the state, please
Marcella
state your
Turner.
name.
Marcella Turner.
Okay, and what did she say? Did she say her camera's not working?
Yeah, she said her webcam is not working.
Okay, so this will be mostly by telephone, I guess.
Yes.
All right, and do we have a service here, Maria? This one? There it is. Okay. All right, the court will, well, if I didn't, Miss Thomas, please identify yourself and your relationship to the child again.
Jasmine Thomas, and I am the mother of Messiah Johnson.
All right, court will note that the non-custodial parent, Melvin DeAndre Johnson Jr., is not present, and he was personally served on October 30th, 2020 at 2:12 p.m. at 11326 Lovebird Lane in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Turner?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to call Ms. Thomas. Ms. Thomas, what is the name of the child before the court, and how old is that child?
Messiah Daniel Johnson, and he is 7 years old.
And do you recall signing an acknowledgement of paternity for this child?
Yes,
To your recollection, did Mr. Johnson Jr. also sign that acknowledgement of paternity?
yes.
And where is Mr. Johnson today?
He's currently at a doctor's appointment.
Okay. And do you yourself and Mr. Johnson, do you all live together as a family unit?
Yes,
And you've confirmed that address with the child support officer for the Office of the Attorney General, is that correct?
yes,
And as a result of you and Mr. Johnson currently residing together as a family unit, you are not seeking child support at this time, is that correct?
yes,
And in regards to the possession and access, otherwise known as visitation, due to you two living together, you're also not seeking possession and access orders at this time, is that also correct?
yes.
And to your knowledge, is Mr. Johnson currently employed?
No,
And does he receive any sort of income?
SSI benefits.
Okay. And to your knowledge, how long has he been receiving the SSI?
9 years.
I'm sorry, was that 9 years?
Yes, ma'am.
And so you also understand that even if you were not living as a family unit, that we would not be able to set child support due to Mr. Johnson receiving SSI. Is that correct?
Yes,
And you understand that the cash medical support will be set to 0 due to Mr. Johnson receiving SSI. Is that also correct?
yes.
What type of health insurance does the child have, ma'am?
Medicaid.
Okay.
And Ms. Thomas, uh, during the retroactive time frame, well, the last 4 years, Mr. Johnson was also receiving SSI. Is that all correct?
Yes,
And do you have any safety concerns with your address being disclosed despite you two living together?
no,
And so you are not seeking a non-disclosure as well. Is that also correct?
yes.
No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the terms. You'll submit the order for signature today?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.